This is a old, I think, Homecrest box fan made by Kellair. I just got this on Facebook Marketplace for $5. I didn't have any bungee cords that went at the time, so when I biked it home, it fell off my bike, and it's only like a block away from my home when this happened, and the whole back grill just shattered. It's not really usable anymore. It's like the plastic makeup of this fan, it's like really, really brittle. Here's some of the small pieces from the fan, and just shatters. Maybe there's some more here in my pocket. There probably is, but it's just very yellowed to the point where it's not really usable. Here's the main grill. The grill was actually in okay condition before it fell off. Oops. But it just breaks so easily. Some very, very cheap plastic. Very, very cheap stuff. These are some grills off of the Galaxy box fan. They seem to fit well. I'm going to have to drill some new holes, but besides that, they seem like they would go on perfectly fine. These grills are actually in really good condition, and they're not missing any slats at all. So I'm going to put those on here for the time being. Just look at that. Look at how horrible that is. It's just an adjustable wrench. Yeah, I broke it into two pieces. Just explodes. I don't think I've ever seen box fan grills that were this brittle. This is just a joke. This is actually going to be pretty fun to clean up with the shop vac, though. Oh, now I have to sweep all this stuff up. I'm gonna make this a bit smaller so it'll actually fit in the shop vac. Be nice if it doesn't go everywhere. Just explodes. This is honestly more fun than breaking glass. I'm going to be finding broken box fan grill parts for the next 5 months in this garage. Here's a lawnmower engine bolt. That shouldn't be there. Should have probably put the camera on the tripod. That is just so deplorable. But I want to be honest, for the fan itself, this thing is not bad. This thing is pretty powerful. Let's watch it attempt to blow off the rest of the grill shards that are in the case. Once again, it's a vintage box fan, so it's going to move a lot of air. I know this is a stupid idea, but the blades on it are already scratched up pretty well. Oops. Well, maybe if I throw it into the back side of the fan.